Hey guys, here's another Angry Birds Space. Now, it's pretty good. I mean, this guy, he's he moves things with his mind. So it's basically like a lifesaver. I think that's what. And then you tell it where to go, and then it just drops, basically. And basically it's the same, but there's another video that I'm gonna be doing right after this. Is gonna be not the same thing as you think. It's way different. And then here's our I don't remember these characters. I think this is C3PO. I don't know. I haven't watched Star Wars in a very long time. And this is the map that I was having an issue with because I didn't understand it. Because you got the exploding bird that gets his pieces, or separates. And there was like 4 more penguins left. I don't know, pigs, but we'll just call them green pigs, or bad piggies. Which I may be doing a a video on it if you guys want me to. See, this one's pretty hard because you have to understand how to use it. And plus the oxygen that's in the dome. The 2 big domes, and then the other one is just little ones, and they pop, and then there's oxygen, and then I want to say it's R3CPO or so. I don't know. It's a robot from Star Wars. Alright, I'm still missing some, so I give up on that challenge, and I just went to basically the one that's just the other version without not in the space. Oh, I'm sorry, we're not playing space. We're playing Angry Birds Star Wars. I'm so sorry, guys. It took me out of slide. Angry Birds Space is actually a pretty good game. I played it before. Yeah, and I do all these videos whenever I actually have free time, you know? I don't do it for the money, I just do it because it's quite fun. And, yeah. I mean, maybe one day I'll have more subscribers. Maybe they'll actually ask what I like, what we can do. But, yeah, I guess it's okay. So we got 500, 400, it was a pretty good number that we got. And then, this is why I like the Angry Birds Star Wars, because it has little movie clips that you can have. After this, I'll remind myself to get rid of this part of that ad. And then this one, I was stopped working on it for a little bit because it was getting a little confusing a little bit, kind of. And then I did the swiping a little too soon. It's basic. I'm pretty sure. I think this is like kind of like a strategy game. Oh, and sometimes you have to watch out when there's no pigs left. It will sometimes it will let you, on accident, let you throw your bird out, and you don't want that. So you just have to make sure that there's no birds out left. And then there's this stubborn pig that doesn't want to die. So I'm gonna redo it, and then do a different strategy. Alright, I got that pig. And now we won the game, so we got 2,000 more experience. And peace out, guys.